What is up, everyone? Today I'm going to be back testing the previous week, so it would have been the week of March 2nd to March 7th, right? 5 days. I think that sounds right. But I'm going to be back testing this, going to see, trades we could have taken, trades we did take, things like that, of that nature. And yeah, we're going to learn here. Let's do this like this. Make sure everything's recording correctly. This will probably be a longer video, so tune in. Alright, so let's check Forex for 3. Monday we had news at 10 a.m., but no key impact news. So let's go, let's mark out our days. Alright, so here's Monday. Where are we? I don't have both charts up. Maybe I should do that. Let's see. Could I? Definitely. If I hit this like this, and I just scoot this in a little bit, right there, and I scoot this in a little bit right there. Alright, now you guys can see both charts, so this will be a little better. NAS, okay. 4 hour. We are going to be right here. Alright. So, looks like we brought up, we don't have this high taken yet. Right, this is our buy side. I'm just going to mark out our key levels of where we are. My rules are I don't want to trade before 9:45. Sell side, buy side. Sell side, buy side marked out. Okay. Turn on my watch. Okay, so we have these marked out. Looks like we've taken this high on ES, but on ES, but haven't taken it on NASDAQ yet. Right? Okay, let's zoom into the hourly. So we do have these SMTs up here. Okay, so we do have a key SMT right there. Buy side, internal buy side is taken. So at this point, there's kind of two things I'm going to be looking for here. So this is 6 a.m. still. So we have been buying up. We're inside this range. Let's get to the 15-minute. I'm going to mark out the key like market open. So market open 9:30, 9:45 to 10:30. Okay. So if we look at this like this, it looks like, so we saw this SMT get put in place. Zoom in a little more over here. Okay, so it looks like at market open, we come in, we put an internal SMT in. So we have double SMT, right? So we have SMT here, SMT here, which is very key. I want to see where London is. I don't know if I can go back that far. It won't go back that far. So it's like 2 a.m. So this is London low right here. This is probably close to Asia low. What's up, Callum? How are you? This is close to Asian low. This is London low. Right. How are you, Callum? So we've double SMT put in this. No really key imbalance here. You do get this 5-minute inverse here. That's good. You do end up getting a 5-minute change in the state off this candle right here. Or this, I'm on the 15-minute timer. I'm gonna zoom in a second. So let's see what price is doing around, macro time. I care about NASDAQ more. I don't give a fuck about ES chart. So it looks like a market open. We start to sell off. We get hard displacement. There's no key level to really catch us here. We come down. Let's see what this standard deviation looks like. Right, standard deviation at the sell side level. We can get rid of this. So it looks like we rebalanced to this imbalance right at. So we have a 5-minute imbalance after changing the state right here. Inversing this 5-minute. Don't think there was any 15-minute imbalance. This is clear displacement, accumulation, manipulation, distribution to the downside. Right, so this is going to be where I'm going to want to enter. I'm going to want to look at entering inside this 5-minute imbalance. Boy. So me personally, I'm probably gonna have my limit order. I took this trade. I think I had my limit order set right at that 5 minute. I think I had my stop definitely not that high. It was this high. And these were my two targets right here. Now I initially entered with one con here because this is pretty clean. You could expect price to maybe retrace a little more, but one thing about these moves is you want to get in. It's kind of like getting in before. I think there was a turtle soup here. Yeah, so there's an internal SMT right here. This is super, super small time frame. This is what made me add position though. So once we get this, I zoomed into the 15 second, which I don't think we're going to be able to see the 15 second this far back. But so I entered one con here, then I added my second con once we got like a 15-second change in the state delivery. So I think that was here, and then my stops averaged out to here. So this is right at 9:45. We come up, instantly dumped down, very, very clean. Took off one con here, and took off the last con here. This is a very clean trade overall, though. Yeah, very good. So that's Monday. Let's go down to let's go Tuesday. There, Drake, and we taking off with it. Baby, let it go, and you gonna miss it. Let's go to Tuesday. Check the news. President Trump speaks. So no news Tuesday. Where are we at on Tuesday? Tuesday AM shafted. I think I'm gonna try to see what. Let's see if there's anything on the daily. No real SMT of anything. So no SMT. Kind of just break through this low. We've previously respected. We're inside this 4-hour imbalance, right? So we're in this 4-hour imbalance. Tuesday looks pretty weird. Push down. So this is 6 a.m. There's this hourly imbalance. Clicking on Rock Nation, yeah, bitch, you jigging who? ES runs this imbalance. Tuesday, I think I took a short at. Might have not actually. Tuesday looks pretty dick right now. Market open right there. So you was CNA, baby. This is. I'm really looking here. Tuesday was that chop day, then we sold. Holy shit, 7 TPs. Yeah, I think there was so yeah, I do remember Tuesday. So there's market open. Market open, we come up. Looks like we put in a SMT right here. SMT right here. Failed to displace higher. Respecting this inverse. Respecting this 5-minute inverse. You get 5-minute change in the state. This is soup. There's a method to get everything free. What's the method? Maybe. What the method would be. So you have this SMT put in place. You're inside respecting this. You inverse this right here. 945 opens up. I was looking for shorts here, but I didn't end up taking them. Yeah, what's the method? I'm interested. Bet. So yeah, you come up, you put in this SMT right here. I was watching this on like the 15-second. You put in this SMT. You then create this inverse. You have 3 stacked lows right here. This is tough, Callum. I mean, this is a tough trade. What, like... thing is, like, where are you putting your stops at? Just above the high? Callum's cool. I'll send it to you, Callum, once I get it. This is kind of clean. After macro, I'm going to start really implementing. Like, I'm only going to take trades. Take trades from 9:45 to 10:30. Oh, baby, stop debating. I'm just a creator. This shit looks like it's gonna murder my browser. Is this safe? Yeah, I think I was struggling with something this week of like staying away from trades because the stops are too big. Have you done it, IM? This does look good though. You never displace to the upside, so that's why this is so good, I think. I have Chrome. Let's go to Wednesday. What was Wednesday news? 10 a.m. and 8:15. Text you, buddy. I know you probably coincide, so we're still in that same 4-hour imbalance. I just touched the city with the Jeep black stains. You being on a first name basis. We're still in this 4-hour imbalance. No big SMT. I can copy and paste it and send it to column in DMs if you want. Unless you already have it all copied. I don't have fucking Discord neutral, whatever the fuck it's called. I can't. Okay, so we're looking at Wednesday. Let's zoom in. There's no key high time frame SMTs. Still in a range of chop, right? Still haven't taken this buy side. Still haven't taken this sell side. Taking this buy side. Bet. Thank you, Im. I really appreciate it. Alright, so we're on the hourly. No key SMTs anywhere. Taken. Just gonna mark out recent swing lows that got taken. I've been messing with it here and there, but nothing like crazy. Like I like check it when I have time. Only like 2 p.m. too. Yeah, the longest London high on Tuesday, right? Yeah, right here, around here. We're really clean. Yeah, those are dirty. I just have class at 2, and I don't know. I don't like when people are looking at me when I'm on my fucking laptop, if I'm being honest. Let's mark out our key. Market open. 9:45 to 9 to 10:30. Looks like you've come up. In too deep. Oh, oh, in too deep. Oh. Do you take a screenshot right before you enter the trade? Or right as you enter the trade? What are you risking per trade? I see. This is disgusting PA right here. Inverse. Market open. Price comes up. That becomes an SMT. SMT right there. I think I took a short today. Oh yeah, your field gets fucked. I took a retarded long. Yeah, this day was funny. We got like every change in the state here and these inverses. I thought we were gonna go higher off this. I took a loss long off of like just a tap of this imbalance with my stop like here. Right? Then I recognized we were long short and because I didn't see the SMT we put in. Yeah, and we inverse just 3 minute. This short was actually very, very clean. Inverse put in 3 minute inverse right here. 3 minute imbalance. And I think this was like an SMT right here on the 15-second. I took a short off this. Or it might have been this high. One of these highs. I do to try to stay off the 1 minute. Yeah. It's important for like in instances of like sometimes you have like a 1 minute imbalance. Like for example, like you see you have these two big one. It's important for finding the sole imbalance, right? So on a 2 minute, because you want to go to the highest time frame of that imbalance. So now we have this imbalance, right? The 2 minute, it's only one imbalance, and on that 3 minute, like before the imbalance is gone. So as you see, like this is the true imbalance, not the true imbalance, but like this is the like so like for this to be invalidated, once it gets invalidated on a 3 minute time frame, it's going to be invalidated on every time frame because like the higher time frame holds higher power. So like when this gets invalidated on the 3 minute time frame, like it doesn't really matter that this 1 minute at the bottom hasn't gotten validated yet, right? Like the 3 minute invalidates that imbalance up there, right? You invalidate this right here, but you still haven't technically invalidated this. But it doesn't mean like once the 3 minute invalidates it, the 1 minute's gonna invalidate it. You can't fuck with you no more because you be acting. But yeah, I took these shorts right here inside the zone, pretty clean. It's kind of confusing to think about. It's easier to like. It'd be like think of like a 1 hour fair value gap. Like there's a 4 hour fair value gap, but inside that there's a 1 hour fair value gap. And like once the 4 hour gets inversed, like it doesn't matter where the 1 hour is, it's gonna get inversed. Because the higher time frame holds the higher power. So let's go to Thursday. IFGs are really good for like market structure shifts, I feel like. You show me that we can be. I gotta talk to God. Yeah, that can be risky though because sometimes like you could get the smaller time frame inverses but never get the change in the state. So then is the trade valid? Yeah, you definitely want to give less power to small imbalances. So right at 9, we're in this imbalance. Neither had taken that low yet. Right, so this Thursday was pretty fucking weird because like it was just a rebalance before taking the low. So I mean, if you waited until 10:45, looks like we just slowly bought up to rebalance to the 1 hour during macro. We don't really have an SMT. Come down, you get your change in the state all the way up here. But you never revisit the change in the state. Do you take trades on both ES and NQ? No, yeah, this was disgusting. Leaving these equal lows too. I think I took a small break-even trade Thursday. The trade I took Thursday was actually super clean. It was right here. I only trade NQ now. I don't know if it's good or bad, but if I could just minimizes my randomness of helping me not lose. Yeah, I do agree with that. This is the trade I took Thursday. It was actually a very, very good trade. It was break even, but so there's that 5-minute imbalance. We came up, took this internal, it rebalanced to this range inside the macro. There was no SMT. We inverse this. Might let me go on a 15-second. Let me know what you think of this, Cal. I thought this was pretty good. It's right here. We inverse this, come back. This was the trade I took Thursday. I thought this was pretty good. I think I take this again. You come up, you take the internal without inside the macro, inverse it while also creating your own. Wait for the pullback, enter on the pullback. Thing is, I don't know where I should put my stops here. That's kind of something I've been struggling with a little bit. Like, do you think stops are better at this high or this high? Like 1 or 2? Yeah, it didn't end up playing out. I couldn't believe we didn't run this stuff right here. I thought this would be like some low resistance run, especially after rebouncing to the 5-minute. I did want to check if ES put in a SMT at this time. No, so they were wrong. Someone told me that ES put in an SMT. There was none. Unless you count that low getting taken as ST, but like, come on. That's not. I knew it was going to be a struggle, and we failed to get this change in the state right here. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. I don't know when I would have been able to take partials in this, though. No, it is 100%. Displays. Come back, retrace. I mean, maybe after this low gets taken. What does this standard deviation look like? I mean, I guess you could say maybe internal standard deviation model, because I guess this is the model we're playing, right? This is your higher time frame PD array is the 5-minute. Your higher time frame level is the internal buy side liquidity. You get your smart money reversal, the double inverse, creating its own imbalance. Get down to the 2.5, then you reverse. So I guess, yeah, I probably could have taken one off here for, how many points would that have been? Say, hi. I'm a pretty girl. So I guess I could have took a partial off there, but this setup's still very clean in my opinion. Let's go to Friday. I just think it's funny how it goes. Friday was actually pretty clean. I didn't think NFP would provide such a clean day. I definitely about him now, yeah. Let me see, I'll check it out. Popping off of that. Let's see if I would have grabbed her. Only downside, we're counting on the inbound spin run. Let me see. I did like how NFP came and took out all this liquidity though. All this liquidity taken while still respecting this imbalance. Stacked lows. I do think, so you're saying data low, you took a short? I was a fan of the shorts in here because it's very clean to data low. Data low is right here. Or did you just take it off of like you just took the short off of after we took this? So did you just enter off like this imbalance? What up, Sumhard? How are you, man? Tired as fuck? I bet. How was your week? I'm trying to be like you, Sumhard, and be better at staying on the 5-minute time frame, not so zoomed in. Enjoying your weekend at least, getting some rest. I thought this was the best trade from NFP. That's good. Could be better. Pull back to the double 5-minute discount. I thought this was pretty good. Yeah, that's not bad either. I'm just trying to stay very true to my time frame trading inside this window right here. Clear continuation to the downside, market structure shift. Continuation lower, double 5-minute. I'm pretty sure Sumhard's send me the screenshot. Sumhard's a ES monster. Pretty good week though overall. I'm gonna mute myself. I'll be right back. Send the screenshot though. But yeah, this is another good trade. This is a back test of last week. Very good overall action last week. I'm gonna be trying to very strict to myself of trading inside this 45-minute time frame window. Things like that. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Feel free to join my free Discord link in the description. I hope you guys enjoy this. Stay true to yourself. God bless. Thank you.